first grade mathematicians? I bet you're wondering what a mathematician is. Last year, when I asked my first graders what a mathematician was, they thought it might be some sort of dinosaur. Is that what you think? Let's pause and find out if you know what a mathematician is. Okay, so those of you who were with us live, we had all different ideas. But those of you who are not, a mathematician is somebody who studies math or who does math. So math is made up of numbers, shapes, it's made up of patterns, and it's all about solving problems. So today we're going to work on this learning target I can continue counting on from a given number. So when we count, we often start at 1. But today we're going to practice counting on from other numbers other than 1. So let's just count to 100 using our fun song again. Please count along.
Come on, kids! Do you want to count to 100? Count, 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 count! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10!
Every time you do this.
Count, 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 count! 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20!
Every time.
Count, count, count! 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30! Count, count, count! 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40! Count, count, count! 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50! Count, count, count! 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60! Count, count, count! 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70!
I want to hear you all counting out there, showing your commitment.
71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80! Count, count, count! 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90!
Almost there. 10 more.
Count! 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100! Count, 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 count! Said I can count to 100! Said I can count to 100! Come on! Said I can count to 100! I can count to 100!
Go ahead and pat yourself on the back. Let's give ourselves a round of applause. The other way. Good job. I like how you showed commitment with counting. So we began counting with 1 in that video, but we're going to practice counting. Oops, not what I wanted to do. There we go. This time we're going to start with 3. So I'm going to count and pause the video and then call on one of you to continue counting on. So we have 3, 4, 5. Let's pause. Good. 6, 7, 8, 9, and on and on. Good. Let's try another one. 8, 9, 10. I'm going to pause and see who would like to count on. Very good. 11, 12, 13, and on, right? So if you are not live with us in Zoom, you're getting the chance to do this video by yourself. So I'm hoping that you will count on with your family or by yourself. 13, 14. Let me pause and see who can count on. Very good. 15, 16, 17, 18, and I could go on because numbers never stop. Let's try another one. 26, 27. Let's pause. Very good. 28, 29, 30. Now we just have one number, 42. Let's pause and see who can count on from 42. Way to go. 43, 44, 45, 46. Good. Okay, I'm not even going to name this number. I'm just going to pause and see who can count on. Very good. 22, 23, 24, 25. This is a harder one. I know you have been out of school for quite a bit, so this could be a tougher one. But let's see who knows it. Someone might. Count on from this one. Let's pause. You got it. 56, 57, 58, 59. Way to go. So you are going to practice on your own counting on by writing numbers in Seesaw. Let's see what our activity looks like. You're going to go into your Seesaw app and it says activities. Okay, and you are going to go into the one called Math Counting On and click Add Response. Okay, so here we have, I think 5 or 6 different problems to do. So it says write the missing numbers. So I'm going to use my pencil tool, and I have 2 missing numbers here. So what I do to kind of help myself, a strategy I do is I count out loud, because when I hear myself counting, then that helps me figure out what comes next. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have to draw an 8 and a 9. Good. And then I'll go to the next one. 7, 8, and then I'll write in my next numbers here. Gets a little harder, 10, 11, 12. So even a little bit harder here and there. So when you're all done writing in the missing numbers for these pages, you're going to go ahead and click the green check. Send your activity to me, and then I will look that over for you. So again, let's go back to our learning target. It says I can continue counting on from a given number. So notice none of our numbers were 1. We didn't start with 1. We started with other numbers, and we had to count on from those numbers. Okay? So before we end, I'm going to ask a challenging question for our kids out there who really love a challenge. If I asked you to count on from 132, what would you say next? Or how would you count on from 132? Let's see. Okay, 133, 134, 135. Good. That was a fun one. All right, go ahead and get to work in your Seesaw classroom. And if you're here live with me, we are done meeting for today before lunch. We will meet up again live at 1:30. So you can click back into Zoom at 1:30, and we will do a read aloud. We're going to read a story together and talk about the character in the setting. All right.